Alright, today we're going to do a video of an Smec Sl2000A. It's new in 2019. It has a 6-inch chuck, 6,000 RPM, 12-position turret. The machine has a chip conveyor. Spindle's running right now at 500 RPM. That's 1,500. That's 2,500. That's 3,500. Very quiet. Just whatever you just hear in the air from the chuck jaws. We'll jog your axes around. That's your Z-axis. There's your X. Again, both very, very quiet. Machine is original paint, in excellent condition. Index your turret. We'll do the parts catcher now. Then you also have your tailstock in here on this side. It's a programmable tailstock as well. So come back, line up, this. Okay. Tow along right there like that. Come back. Relock it. Machine also has a chip conveyor. Again, pull up the hours. The FANUC 0ITF control. All the books with the machine as well. And that about does it. Thanks for watching the video.